In this video, we're diving into one crucial aspect of laying the top of your wig flat against your head. Whether you're a wig pro or a beginner, this will take your wig game to the next level. Starting with the wig that looks like it's from a wall. Anyways, let me first flat iron the back side of the wig in a second. And voila! Look how flat the back side is. Going in with a hot comb to further make the back side more flat, because you don't want the front part of the wig to be laid down perfectly and the back side looks like it needs some work. Now, working with the front part of the wig, we're going to pat the hair in the middle on your desired pattern, then spray heat protector onto the hair. And the one that I'm using is the well-known Fantasia heat protector. Comb through the hair to spread out the heat protector. And can we take a moment of silence and appreciate how well I plucked this unit? And if you want to know how I pluck this unit, go ahead and watch this video right here. So back to this video, we're going to flat iron the hair in small sections of each side of the middle parting. So use a flat iron of your choice, and you need a chest comb as well. Flat iron each section using the chest method. So part out a small section and start flat ironing until you reach the top of the middle pattern. We again do the same thing, but this time around using a hot comb and a wax stick. So basically, cut out a small section of hair, apply a little bit of wax and hot comb. When you're done with both sides of the middle pattern, the top of the wig will look flat, but to make it even more flatter, you're going to apply a little bit of wax. Spray some Spirities, as well as oil sheen to the top of the wig, and hot comb it as many times as you feel like until it's flat to your liking. This gives the top of the wig a super flat look effect. If you live in a super hot and windy country like me, then Got to Be Freeze Spray will be your best friend. Spray some Got to Be Freeze Spray on top of the wig to make sure it remains flat all day. Since Got to Be Freeze Spray is drying, we're going to add some Oris Glossing Hair Polisher to the top of the wig. This gives it a more shiny and sleek look. And for the grand reveal, I'm giving you different angles to show you how flat and sleek this wig turned out to be. If you think this wig was laid down to perfection, go ahead and subscribe.